Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account. Without it, you cannot remove a password. Once done, back up critical files to an external drive or cloud so you avoid data loss. Next, open Start, go to Settings, then Accounts to access sign-in options. This step gives you the controls to change authentication methods. Make sure you stay signed in as the admin user. Now proceed into sign-in options to see password, PIN, and Microsoft account controls. You now move into sign-in options to remove the password method. If the device uses a Microsoft account, switch to a local account first so Windows won't require cloud credentials. When you choose Change or Remove, Windows will ask you to verify identity with the current password or a verification code. Do this to prove ownership. After verification, follow prompts to set a blank password or delete the password entry. Make sure account type is local admin before finalizing the change. You finish by restarting and testing that the account logs in without a password. Check you still have an admin account available for system tasks. If you cannot log in, boot to safe mode or Windows Recovery to enable the built-in administrator or perform a system restore. Make sure automatic sign-in settings are correct if you prefer no password. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification fails, reconnect to the internet for Microsoft account codes or use another app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.